Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 8 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now, without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 506, relative ranks. Okay, so in this problem you are given an integer array score. Okay, so this is an integer array score given to us of size n. Okay, and where score of I is the score of the ith athlete in a competition. Okay, so this is 0th index. Okay, so let's say this is the score of athlete 0. Okay, so athlete of 0 score is 5, and this is the first athlete, so athlete of first score is 4, athlete of second score is 3, athlete of third score is 2, athlete of fourth score is 1. Okay, so score of I is the score of the ith athlete in the competition, and all the scores are guaranteed to be unique. Okay, so what we have to do here, uh, let's understand this with an example here. Okay, so this is a score array given to us. Okay, so what is the max index in this score array? What is the max value in this score array? Okay, so this is the max value 5. Okay, so this is the max value. Okay, max value. Okay, and what is the second max value? So this 4 is the second max value, right? And what is the third max value? This is the third max value, right? Third max value. And this 2 is the fourth max value, right? Fourth max value. And this one is the fifth max value, right? So this is a max value. Okay, so for this athlete, okay, for the athlete which is present at 0th index, okay, this athlete has max score. Okay, so instead of this we have to write gold medal. Okay, we have to return one string array. Okay, so our output is nothing but one string array. Okay, this is nothing but our string array. Okay, so in this string array, this is the max value. Okay, so for this max value we have to return gold medal. Okay, and this is the second max value. For the second max value, okay, simply means that this is the second rank. Okay, so for second rank we are writing silver medal. This is the third rank, right? Third max value. So for this value we are writing bronze medal. And this is the fourth, right? Fourth max value. So for this we are just going to write 4 and 5. Okay, same way, right? So again we have given 5 positions here. Okay, 5 scores. Okay, so this is top position, this is next position, this is next position, this is next position, and this is next position. Okay, so let's say position wise we have to store. Okay, so what is the max score? Max score is 10. Okay, so I am placing 10 here. Okay, 10 is at the top, and then ninth. Okay, then third 3. Okay, then 3 is there, then 8, then 9, 9, 4. Okay, so 9 is the second max value, right? 9 is the second max value. Okay, so I have to store 9 here, right? And then 8 is the next max value, right? So I have to store 8 here, then 4, then 3. Okay, so this 10th, for this 10th, this 10th is at first position, right? So for this 10 we are returning gold medal, and this 3 is at fifth position, right? This 3 is at fifth position, so we are just writing 5. This 8 is at third position, and third position means simply means bronze medal. Okay, this second position simply means silver medal. This first position simply means gold medal, right? So for 8 we are writing bronze medal. For 9 we are writing silver medal because 9 is present at second position, right? Silver medal. And then 4 is at fourth position, so we are writing just 4. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the problem statement. Okay, what we are doing here. So we have to just return one string array. Okay, so I am going to explain 2 approaches here. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem using approach 1. Okay, first let's try to solve it using approach 1. Okay, so first of all, let's pick one example here. So let's pick the example number 2. Okay, 10 3 8 9 4. Okay, so give me 1 minute. Okay, so this is my example 2. Let me copy this example here. Okay, so first what we are going to do here, first I am going to sort this array based on their score. Okay, so after sorting the array based on their score, my array is going to look like this: 10, then 9, then 8, then 4, and then 3. Okay, so this is my copied array. Okay, I have copied one new array and sorted that array. Okay, after sorting this array, I have to use one map. Okay, in the map I am going to use, okay, I have to use map, and in the map my keys are going to be of integer type. Okay, my keys are going to be of integer type, and my values are going to be string type. Okay, string type, right? So here, since I have already sorted the array, right, so definitely this is the max score. Okay, so for this key, okay, for this key I am going to store value as gold medal. Okay, I am going to store value as gold medal. And then for this 9 I am going to store value as silver medal. Okay, I am going to store value as silver medal. For this 10 I am going to store value as gold medal. Okay, this is integer and string is a value. Okay, for this 8 I am storing the string value as bronze medal. For this 4 I am going to simply return 4, right? For this 4 I have to simply return this 4, right? And for this 3 I have to simply return 5. Okay, so this is what I need to do. Okay, I have to create one map of integer and string. Okay, then based on rankings I have to store the values. Okay, so this is nothing but my rank 1. Okay, so in rank 1, okay, so I am going to write one condition: if my rank is 1, then value is this gold medal. If my rank is 2, then value is silver medal. If my rank is equal to 3, then the value is bronze medal. And if my rank is 4, then simply return my rank in a string type. Okay, so rank is equal to 4, then simply returns this 4 as a string type. Okay, when my rank is 5, then simply return this 5 as string. Okay, this is what I am going to do. And in the end I am going to iterate over this score, okay, this original array, and I am going to search the values for this one. Okay, so for this 10, gold medal. For this 3 I am going to search. Okay, so this is my map now. So in the map I am going to store all the values. Okay, for 10 I am going to store gold value, gold medal. For 9 I am going to store silver medal. For 8 I am going to store bronze medal. Okay, so these are the strings only. Okay, so here for 4 I am going to store 4 as a string. Okay, so all these values are string only, right? This is also a string, this is also a string, this is also a string. And for this 3 I am going to store 5, and this is also string type. Okay, so in the end I have to iterate over my original array. For 10 I am going to store gm. For this 3 I am going to return this 5, right? So that's how I'm this is going to be my approach 1, and this is how I'm going to solve the problem. Okay, first. Okay, so now let's write the code. Okay, you guys will get more clear understanding while writing the code. Okay, so first, okay, so first int n is equal to score dot length. Okay, so this is clear. So here we have calculated what is the total length. Okay, and then I have to create one array copy. Okay, so let's name it sort score. Okay, so this is my new array. Okay, so let's create a copy of this array. Arrays dot copy of, okay, this sort score is nothing but the copy of this original array score of size n. Okay, this is done. Then after that let's sort our arrays dot sort in this pass sort score. Okay, so I have sorted my array. This is clear, right? Now we are returning the answer in a string array format, right? So this return type is string array. So let's create one string result array, okay, in which we are going to store our result. String result is equal to new string of size n. Okay, so I hope that this is clear, right? Then after that we have to use one map. Okay, as I have explained already, in map we are passing keys as integer and we are passing values as our string, right? Let's name the map as map, new hash map. This is done, right? We have created one map. Now let's iterate. Okay, let's iterate over each element one by one. So for int I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, I is less than n I plus plus. Okay, now see here, I am sorting the array using this function arrays.sort. So it is going to sort my array like this. First 3 will come, then 4 will come, then 8 will come, then 9 will come, then 10 will come. Okay, since I am going to sort my array using this. Okay, so this is simple functions, that is why I am using it. Okay, so arrays.sort sort score. Okay, so it is going to sort my array like this in increasing order. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. It is not going to sort my array like this, but it is going to sort like this. Okay, so simply what I am going to do here inside this, okay, I am going to check if I is equal to n minus 1. Okay, if I is equal to n minus 1. Okay, that simply means that this value n minus 1. Okay, if I is equal to n minus 1, then map dot put. Okay, what is this value? 10. So can I write it like this? Sort score of I, sort score of I. This is my sorted array, right? This is nothing but my sort score. Okay, this is nothing but my sort score array. Okay, this is looking like this. Okay, so sort score of I. Okay, this n minus 1. If my I is equal to n minus 1, then in that case I have to just return gold medal. Gold medal, that's it, if I is equal to n minus 1. Okay, if else, if my I is equal to n minus 2, that simply means this value. Okay, if this is value, if my value is this one, then I have to return silver medal, right? So if this is the case, then map dot put and assign the value, okay, n minus 2 value as, okay, so this is my key, right? For this key, assign the value as silver medal. That's it, silver medal. Okay, and else, if my I is equal to n minus 3, then in that case map dot put for this key sort score of I. Okay, so for this key assign value as bronze medal. So this is done. Here write bronze medal. Okay, this is done. And in the else part, simply put map dot put for any other key. Okay, sort score of I here, and we have to just pass the right, we have to just pass this value, right? N minus I. Okay, n minus I, if I is something else. Okay, so here I am writing, we have to just return the string value now. So we have to convert this integer into string first. String dot value of, right, n minus I. That's it. Okay, so we are just passing this, right? And here our for loops ends, and in the end just iterate over original array. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, okay, now in this result of I, we have to return our answer in this result string array na? So in this result of I, map dot get. Okay, map dot get. Okay, now I'm iterating over original array. Okay, so first for this 10 I have to print some value, then for 3. Okay, so 10 is original array. What is the name of my original array? Score of I. Okay, so I'm going to return the value for this key, score of I key. Okay, So this is done. Then in the end, just return result. That's it. Return result. Okay. So this is very simple code, right? Just 28 lines of code. Okay. Now let's run it and see if there are any issues with our code. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So in this problem, actually we are first sorting the array. Okay, we are sorting the array. So our time complexity is going to be of nlogn. Okay, and here we are iterating over each element one by one. Okay, as in assigning some values in a map. So of and time complexity here, and here again we are assigning the values. Okay, we are assigning the values in the result of I string array. Okay, then again of and time complexity. So I can say my overall time complexity is of an nlogn. Okay, so this is my worst case scenario. In my worst case scenario, the time complexity is going to be of nlogn, since we are using arrays.sort. Okay, and my space complexity is also going to be of n. Okay, since we are using hash map here, right, and we are creating our result array. Okay, so it is also occupying the n space in the worst case scenario. So I can say overall time complexity is of nlogn, and my space complexity is of n. Okay, so now let's move to the approach 2. Okay, and in the approach 2, my time complexity will be reduced to of n. Okay, so we are not going to use this arrays.sort in my approach 2. Okay, so now let's move to approach 2. Approach 2. Okay, so in approach 2, let's again take the same example. Okay, example 2. Okay, so this is my example 2. Okay, so in this example 2, first I am going to store the indexes. Okay, I am going to store the indexes of each score. So this 10 is present at index number 0. Okay, and this 3 is present at index number 1. This 8 is present at index 2. This 9 is present at index 3, and this 4 is present at index 4. Okay, so this is going to be my first step. Okay, to store the indexes, and then after that I have to search for the max score. So what is the max score here? So max score is 10 here, right? So my max score is 10. Okay, so this is my first step. This is my first step, and then finding the max score is going to be my second step. Okay, and then third step, I have to start from this 10 position. Okay, so this 10 is the max score, right? So definitely all other scores are less than this 10. Okay, all other scores are less than this 10. It may be 9, it may be 8, it may be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, it is less than 10 only. Okay, so here my score, see, 0 to 10 raised to power 6. Okay, so here I am writing 0 as well. 0 is inclusive, right? So this is the max score, right? So definitely other ranks are smaller than this 10. Okay, so what I'm going to do, first of all, this is my max score, right? So for the max score I am assigning this value as gold medal. Okay, then after that I have to search step by step, one by one. Okay, so this 9 is present in my this 9 is present in my map. Okay, yes, this 9 is present in my map. This 9 is a key. Okay, so treat these as keys. Okay, 9 is key, and this 9 is key, right? And 9 is present at index number 3. Okay, 9 is present at index number 3. Okay, so in index number 3 I am adding 3. Yeah, in index number 3 I am returning output as silver medal. Okay, so this is going to add at index 3, it is going to pass silver medal. Okay, this is going to pass at index 0 my gold medal. Okay, then I'm going to search for 8. 8 is there? Yes, 8 is there. And 8 is at which index? 8 is at index 2. Okay, so in index 2 I'm going to pass bronze medal. Okay, for this 8. Then I'm going to check for 7. 7 is not there. Okay, let's move forward. 6 is there? 6 is not there. 5 is there? 5 is not there. 4 is there? Yes, 4 is there. And 4 is at which position? 4 is at 4th index. Okay, 4 is at 4th index. Right. So in the 4th index I have to pass my 4 rank. Okay, my 4 rank. Okay, so I have to take one variable int rank as 1. Okay, I have to take one variable int rank as 1, and I have to increment this rank every time whenever I found one value. Okay, so here I found one value, so my rank was 1, so now my rank will become 2 here for this one. For this it will 3, and for this one it was 4. Okay, then after that my rank will be 5, and I'm going to search for 3. Just 3 is there. At which index? 1. Okay, so in index 1 I'm going to pass 5. Okay, so this is going to be my second approach. Okay, so in this approach I am not going to use arrays.sort function. Okay, so in arrays.sort we are actually sorting the array like this in increasing order, right? So here I am not sorting the array. Okay, so this time my time complexity is also going to be of n only. Okay, so now let's write the code. Let's write the code for this. Okay, so we don't need this, and we need a string result array, right? And we need one map integer of integer. Okay, this time we need a map of integer integer map new hash map. And let's do one thing here. Let's remove it. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, so now let's name it this map as score index map. Okay, score index map for clear understanding. Okay, let's name it like this. So we have calculated the length of our array, and in this string we are going to store our result, and this is going to be my map. Then now iterate over each element in my score array and store their values. Okay, so for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, so my score index map. Okay, so as I have already told you that we are going to consider these as our keys. Okay, these as our keys. So 10 is a key. Okay, so here this 10 is my key. Okay, and this key is present at which value? Okay, so I'm going to store this value as my index I. Okay, so this 10 is present at this 0, this 3 is present at this 1. Okay, so that's what we did here. Where it is, yeah, here 10 is present at 0, 3 is present at 1. Okay, so this is what I am doing in this step. Okay, so I hope that this line is clear. Okay, so this is our step 1 in solving problem using approach 2. And second step, as I have told you, we have to find the max value. Okay, max value. What is the max value here? So int max score is equal to integer dot min underscore value. Okay, let's consider as the minimum value of integer, and then again we have to iterate over each score. So let's use for each loop this time. Int s over my score array 1 by 1. Okay, and in this my max score I'm going to update every time. Max score is nothing but math dot max of max score and the value which is present at this particular position s. Okay, this is done. So I have completed the step 2 as well. Okay, to find the max score, right? Then let's create one variable int rank as 1. Okay, So initially rank is equal to 1. Okay, so initially I am starting from the highest value, right? So I have to assign the value as gold medal for this rank. Okay, so int rank is equal to 1. Initially my rank is 1. Okay, now I am going to iterate from this max score to all the values before that. Okay, so this is my max now, from 10 to 0. Okay, something like that. So here I am going to write int I is equal to my max score, then I is greater than equal to 0, then I minus minus. Okay, this is done. Now inside this I have to check if my score index map, okay, if this map, okay, if this map contains key, which key? I is equal to max score, first this 10 key. Okay, so here I am writing I. Okay, so here I am checking if my score index map contains this key. Okay, so 10 is there, 9 is there, 8 is there, then 7 is not there, then we don't need to execute anything inside this if. Okay, that's what I'm checking here, right? So here if my score index map contains this key, okay, so first 10, then we have to check for 9, 8, 7. Okay, so 10 is there, right? If 10 is there, then let's find the index of this 10. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. 10 is there, and what is the index of this 10? 0. Okay, so here I am writing 0 now. See here in orange color icon. Okay, orange color. Okay, 0. Then we are calculating the index of this now. So here I am writing the index. What is my index of this key? So here score index map dot get. So dot get will give me this value. Okay, so dot get 10. So 10 is present at which index? 0. So this will give me index 0. Okay, so get I, here I am passing key, so key value is 10. So 10 is there, yes, 10 is there, we have already checked, and then we are finding the index of this 10 here. So 10 is present at index 0. Okay, this is clear. And right now my rank is 1. Okay, so here inside this, after finding the index, I am writing some conditions, right? If my rank is equal to 1, then result of index. Okay, right now my index is 0. Here we have calculated index 0 when my rank is 1. So I am definitely filling this value. Rank result of 0 is equal to gold medal. That's it. Gold medal. And else if my rank is equal to 2, then in that case result of index is equal to silver medal, right? And else if my rank is equal to 3, then in that case my result of index is equal to bronze medal. Okay, that's it. And else part, in the else part, if my rank is not 1, 2, 3, okay, then in that case I have to fill my index result of index value as, okay, so we are just passing the string now, right? So here string dot value of, it is going to convert my integer into a string, right? String dot value of my rank, and every time I have to increment my rank. Okay, so here see rank is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Alright, so here after this just do rank plus plus every time I'm incrementing my rank. Okay, so this is clear, right? In the end we are just returning the result. Okay, so this is a complete code. Let me minimize the screen. Okay, So see, 34 lines of code. Okay, now let's run it. So there is one issue here. Let's see. Int I is equal to max score. I is, why I'm using like this, why I'm using comma here. Let's run the code. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. And for this particular approach, our time complexity is of n and space complexity is also of n. Okay, so if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.